Welcome, here I've got VODAFONE Smart Platinum 7 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's take a picture. As you can hear, we have the sound. To turn it off, let's go to the left corner, here to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. In the general category we have the shutter sound, so by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let's turn this off, and now when we go back to the camera and take another picture, we can't hear the sound. Of course, we can tap here to the left corner once again and use this button to turn it on, and for now we can hear it again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.